Good morning, YouTubes. How are you all doing today? Great day. Happy Easter for those who celebrate Easter. It is currently 8:25 in the morning, and I'm just going out to a small abandoned building that's not too far away from here. A little bit overgrown. I'd say it's about the size of a large school bus, something like that. It's got some graffiti on it, and it's just in a cool location, so we're just going to get some small footage. What I want to do is keep it kind of eye level, so it doesn't even look like it is a drone being flown. I'm just going to creep around through the doorways. I'm thinking of using tripod mode, because I know tripod mode, it's very slow, very precise movements. And then all of a sudden I'm going to be moving up, so it's kind of an unexpected, oh, he's actually flying a drone. I'd like to thank all the subscribers out there. Our channel's getting a little bit bigger. You know, still only a very small channel, but I used to do a lot of DIY videos, stop motion videos, but these drone videos are coming out pretty well. So I enjoy doing them. It's just for fun. Get to improve my drone flying and also get to improve my video editing. So definitely comment on the videos if there's anything you'd like to see. I know there's a lot of you are learning along with me. We're all newbies here, a lot of newbies to the drone market. So if you guys want to see anything, hit me up with a comment. And yeah, let's just get it going. So I will see you at the abandoned building. Alright guys, so here is the abandoned building right back there. So we're going to go back in there and we're going to do some low flying, see what's going on, and yeah, let's see if we can get some eerie footage, and it's going to be awesome. So let's just wait for this car to go by so you can see me vlogging. There we go, you see me vlogging. So now I'm a vlogger, real life vlogger. Okay then, funnily enough, that building is right next to where my car graveyard is, which is actually just an auto wreckers. I wonder if it had anything to do with it. No idea of the history, but pretty cool place. So, yep, I think that was a success. We will do some video editing, get some color grading to try and make that kind of eerie. Maybe make it a little bit Blair Witch-like. Get some spooky music, and we will see how that turns out. So, awesome. Successful morning, and I will see you about YouTubes. Have a great day. Happy droning.